Good morning, Mark here. What I have is a Panasonic 52-inch ceiling fan, antique brass, wood blades. Those are very distinct blade arms here. They're only have one flange in the middle. Most of them have two or none. It's the Panasonic logo right here. Interesting switch cap too. You don't see too many with two sets of holes. Two sets of screws. On the periphery ends and towards the center, and then one in the center. So 5 screws. I'm hoping this switch cap isn't going to go anywhere. Really big upper canopy too. So it's an interesting fan. Kind of a skinny motor. Small vents. Little narrow vents. It's a neat fan. I like it. So, let's take it for a spin. We've got low, medium, high, and reverse. The reverse switch over here. There's low, obviously. Medium. High. And off. Well, there you have it. 52-inch Panasonic, presumably from the 80s. Couldn't tell by the tag, but I'm guessing by the style, anywhere from the mid to late 80s. But there you go, Panasonic ceiling fan, and stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.